How to pair Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones to MacBook or iMac via Bluetooth. Step 1. Put the headphones in pairing mode option. 1. First time pairing, turn on the headphones by pressing and holding the power button. For 2 seconds you'll hear power on pairing. Option 2. Manual pairing, already used with another device. Hold the Bluetooth button next to the power button. For 5 seconds you'll hear pairing. The blue light will flash twice repeatedly. Step 2. Open Bluetooth settings on Mac. Click the Apple menu. Go to System Settings or System Preferences on older macOS. Click Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Step 3. Connect the headphones. Wait for 1000XM6 to appear in the list of available devices. Click Connect next to 1000XM6. You'll hear a confirmation sound from the headphones once connected. Step 4. Set WH-1000XM6 as audio output. Optional. Go to System Settings. Sound. Under Output, select 1000XM. Select it under Input as well if you want to use the mic.